The data center infrastructure management (CIM) space in the worldwide infrastructure market is fairly young. CIM encompasses numerous tools that enable organizations to measure, track, control, and manage various data center resources. CIM tools also help manage energy consumption by various components of a data center. The tools provide data center managers with actionable insights. Based on the information gathered and insights drawn, they can streamline various IT operations and work out resource optimization strategies applicable to the space, digital systems, power cooling systems, and human resources deployed at the facility. Back in 2010, CIM penetration in the market was just around 1%. According to Gartner report in tune with an ever-growing demand for newer, more advanced and powerful IT applications across industry verticals, CIM was expected to go mainstream with 60% penetration by the end of 2014. Critical functionalities of data center infrastructure management tools. CIM tools are no longer an IT buzzword in the industry. These are now being looked upon as business enablers. Deploying CIM tools is considered imperative for controlling costs and improving performance, but whether deployment will come out as a complex or relatively simple undertaking with superb or not so great results has to do with the various functionalities of CIM. Data collection. A CIM solution should have a single repository that can collect all information such as sites of physical assets including racks and back and power equipment, data center layout, cooling and thermal data, circuit capacities, etc. in real time. Seamless integration. Since data center facilities often have power, storage and circuit equipment manufactured by different vendors, CIM tools should ensure seamless integration of all components. For instance, real-time monitoring systems for power consumption and measurement of environmental data should work well with the complete CIM system for hassle-free and well-optimized capacity management. Process-driven change control. For successful data center operations, it is imperative that CIM tools handle everyday maintenance and control changes well. A software application forms the core of all CIM solutions, with different sets of tools. The software should be able to create its own configuration and act in accordance with the what-if scenarios designed by data center managers/operators. In case a facility has some other asset management systems in place already, the CIM tool should be capable of communicating with it. Centralized control. Interfaces of various CIM tools, no matter how elaborate they may be, should offer the operators and managers a central data center control dashboard, complete with alerts generated after having gathered, filtered and analyzed different data. The alerts and actions thereafter are configured or picked up from ready lists by a specialist capable of making informed CIM decisions. But first, the CIM system must streamline all data center control operations. Visualization. The CIM solution should provide graphic visualization for complete monitoring and management of all domains, including the facility's racks, power systems, raised floor probes, etc., networking equipment cables, LAN SAN, WAN, etc., and systems servers, mainframes, VXX, storage, etc. Real-time graphical analysis of physical and logical attributes of the smallest of components should be intuitive enough for operators to quickly assess a situation. Power management. While some basic CIM tools will base their power management strategy around the standard figures made available by the user or vendor libraries, more advanced CIM solutions will help data center operators plan everything according to actual power usage. How well a CIM solution collects, processes and analyzes key energy consumption data is one of the most important factors experienced data center managers consider while choosing an IT service provider. Over the years, the energy savings resulting from the implementation of a fine power management strategy can match up the ongoing costs incurred on CIM maintenance and fees. Metrics and reporting. Simplified reporting, exactly in tune with an organization's key operational goals, should be in place. An identical set of metrics and hence the reports is not important for different organizations. Provisioning ampersand capacity planning. An automated tool should support quick and satisfactory deployment of newer systems and their physical and logical components. Capacity planning tools, on the other hand, can help determine the requirement for future modeling, what-if analysis, power rack space, floor area, etc. Choosing end partner for data center infrastructure management. The management of an organization should look at the initial required capital as a guiding light while choosing end partner for CHIM. From a holistic perspective, these costs become insignificant compared to the benefits accrued over time. An ideal CHIM should not only ensure energy savings, but also help you gain insights into your infrastructure. CHIM tools should proactively manage the facility, identify issues before they escalate, incorporate real-world insights and data, and minimize human intervention.